How to fix Netflix the device is not supported. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how we can fix that issue, so let's get started. First of all, you may just go ahead and look out for your Netflix app and go ahead and install the application from your particular device. You may long press on it in order to find the install option. After that, just go ahead and install the current version. Head over to device's Play Store, go to the search, and then search for Netflix and then update and install the latest version of your application in your device. After that is done, you can just head over to your device's settings and scroll down and look for software update, and then just go ahead and system update to check for and install any available updates about your own device software. And then you may just go ahead and go over to Play Store and head over to profile at the top and then go over to settings, and from here go over to security. And the thing is, you need to look out for this Google Play Instant and your view your Play Protection certification. So just go ahead and check your Play Protect status from your device. And that is it. If you are using the web browser, ensure that the particular web browser is also up to date, and check Netflix supported browser piece for instructions on updating or using a different browser. And you can try restarting your device if it is a device failure issue. Just go ahead and look out for restart option and tap on it. And the main thing you need to ensure is that you have a stable internet connection, as that may be the particular issue. So that is it for now. You may fix the issue by following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.